Hey guys, it's time to build the nether portal. We're going to build the nether portal today, and if you're new, I'll teach you how. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build the nether portal. It's pretty cool. First you need obsidian and flint and steel. Then you need to go 4 blocks high on each side and 2 blocks long.
Then what do you do there?
And then you use flint and steel. And then you do 5 blocks long and 5 blocks high. And 3 blocks long. Then you use your flint and steel. Then you're gonna do it 15 blocks long to make the biggest one. And then you do it 15 blocks high on each side. And 10 blocks long. And you use your flint and steel.